finally get the lights. I've only been here all week and I've seen the lights once, and now we're seeing them for the first time. The sky looks amazing.
Oh, you guys haven't seen them?
No. Yeah, we've been here quite a few times before. Look at that sky, is amazing. Yeah, I am.
You going that way?
No,
Straight.
I choose
that I want. The elements?
Wow.
All right.
Let's go! Okay. Ben, over there. And we can walk back down to St. George's.
Mama, imaš ti ove tlagi, a bi vam si da sam
شوفي كذا يمشون نفس معينة احنا بنسوي الاشياء
يعني خلاص انت تصمم؟
Oh, look at this. People here getting married. Look who I've run into.
Hi, Steve.
Steve, what's going on?
Man, the light's amazing. Look at that sky. That is incredible. It's incredible. This is amazing.
It is beautiful. It doesn't get better.
Nope. Do you remember we came here one year, Eileen, and we watched the fireworks from the fort?
Well, Monday we had lunch with the couple, so we were really
Look at this. That's where we just ate, Harry's.
Oh, I can imagine this. Wow.
What they call the million lights. There's over 1 million lights here that winter.
Oh, yeah.
The whole of December.
No, you're fine. I just wanted to sneak behind you. They get the whole street. Right.
How does the lesson?
Ayer yo quisiera una bebida. Ayer yo quisiera una bebida.
Haydi.
But like usually it's like one.
¿Dónde estás? No, pues tú dices ahí por al costado, ¿no? De donde está el mar, ¿no?
The best friend,
Si
huh?
avanzamos, pues ya.
I know. I know.
Usually I film this with my Sony camera. I'm trying it with this new GoPro. Beautiful evening, January the 2nd. Oh, that's a beautiful little yacht there. Happy holidays. Best Western. There's our cafe right there. Straight ahead, that one there. Best breakfast in St. Augustine, right there. Here comes the party boat. Here comes the party boat. I can hear them cheering.
No, Sunday. Sunday's.
What a beautiful evening. Look at the traffic. Oy, oy, oy. Crazy. You're welcome. Yeah. Oh, yes.
She's all done up. Done up from the side. Mine is the
Oh, has this come down from Jacksonville?
Italy. This is what it's like at nighttime.
Because they have a boulevard. They walk the boulevard.
Yep.
I'm down from Jacksonville. About 20 miles from Jacksonville. Here's the forts. Yeah. Do you want to walk around the fort? Yeah. You do? Okay. I think there'll be less people, but it's up to you. Depends how much of a hurry you are to get back. Oh, look at the moon. Wow. Less people around the back. Up to you, I don't care. Turn this